Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. And today we are going to talk about a plugin. This is Adsr's Sample Manager, and you can download it free from their website now. It's pretty cool. I just thought I'd download it, have a little doodle on it, stumbled across it. And basically this sort of sample manager, if you like, it allows you to go through your entire sound library. You just literally set your folder, and as you can see, it's still scanning now. I've got loads of samples in my sound library, and I'm literally just, as you can see, I've got everything in here, and it's, instead of just having one folder, it's got multiple folders. Yeah, this thing's just scanning it all, and it's just putting it into a nice nicely laid out format. It's got tags and stuff as well, so it tags the sample according to obviously what the sample's name is, and you can also play back the sample here as well, which is pretty cool. And as you play the sample back, you can go through your library, you can find sounds that you didn't even know you had in there, although I do know where my samples are and they're all mapped out into folders. But I believe this also works as a plugin as well, so you can sort of sit here, doodling through your sounds and stuff, and as you can see, there's a little bit, some little tags, like it says laser there. If you wanted to add more detail to each tag, you can just literally click on each one, like so. And then once you click on it, you can then go to where it says tag here, and then just type, FX or whatever it is you want to call it. And then that way just helps you to narrow down your samples and find them easier. It's really, really cool, man. There's also a search facility as well on here. Now, bearing in mind I've only just got this installed, so I haven't quite got the gist of everything yet, but you can sort, there's lots of ways to sort stuff, and you can search here. What sound are you looking for? Let's say we're looking for a Mentaz. I'll just put Mentaz. Now, bearing in mind it hasn't searched my entire library yet. It's still scanning through the whole thing. I should imagine my sound library would have to be scanned all night. And there you go. Look, it's found stuff already, and click on it straight away. Let's see what it's found. I'm gonna have to put just adjust my sound card a little bit here. There you go. Straight away it's found all my Mentasms. I don't have to like trawl through mix folders and stuff like that. So this is pretty dark, man. Look at that. I'm finding Mentasms that I've lost. So this is pretty cool, man. And then from there, say if I wanted an Amen, it's probably gonna find too many files. There you go, look, Amen, it's found all the files, and it tells you, it should tell you how many files you've actually found. 8,000 files, no way. Yeah, but then it's, because it's tagged some of these drum and bass kits. Yeah, but I can just add Amen, the Amen tag to this now, look. Because everything here is saying Amen, yeah, you can see. So if I just add that tag now, and just go Bosch, and then just type Amen. Right, see, it don't recognise that tag, so it's a fresh tag to add in. Now I just go Bosch. Look at that. It's adding 8,500 samples to my Amen selection. It's insane, man. So now I actually know how many samples I've got in my sound library that's called Amen. Okay, we got something weird going on here. Could not it's crashed it. Couldn't read volume sound library mixed down Amen 1. Would you like to remove it from the library database? No. You're good, mate. Look at that. It seems to be playing at a different sample rate. Okay, we're getting a spinning wheel here now, which is a bit weird, but I'm guessing, it's being optimistic, it's because it's sort of scanning everything. Right, what's this? Oh, this is Amen. Oh, these are quite big files now. Oh, these are mixes. It seems to be playing at different sample rates. I'm not sure. This seems a bit strange. This is pretty good, man. You know, for free, you can't really complain. Beggars can't be choosers and that. And you could just go through, sort out your whole entire sound library over due course of time. You know, it's important to sort of have your sound library organized in the first place anyway, but I mean, this just helps. I believe this works in my Cubase or my Renoise, etc. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's fairly straightforward. I like to share these things with you guys as I kind of bump into them. I know this has probably been around forever and a day, and I'm probably running a bit late, but you know, for those of you who are running late too, there you go. You know, you know about it now. Go there, go to Adsr, show some love, download that. Yeah, big up people. Take care. God bless.
I'm a everyday junglist.